Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. I'm Kristi Shive, and this morning we're visiting with Kim Henken. She's a Senior Program Manager for Family and Consumer Sciences Extension and State Advisor for the Kentucky Extension Homemakers Association. Good morning, Kim.
Good morning, Kristi.
Well, Kim, this week we are kicking it off with Team KEHA, and today you are here to tell us a little bit about the Kentucky Extension Homemakers Association, who they are, how long they've been here.
Well, the Kentucky Extension Homemakers Association is an organization that traces its history back to the 19-teens and really when the Extension service was beginning to emerge in Kentucky. The clubs were originally known as home demonstration clubs, and agents like yourself were known as home demonstration agents. So the history goes back well over 100 years. And the state organization, now known as the Kentucky Extension Homemakers Association, was founded in 1932.
Wow, so they have been around for a long time, and I know that the homemakers are doing such wonderful work at a county and state level, but what exactly is their focus?
Well, for KEHA, they work in partnership with the University of Kentucky Cooperative Extension Service across the state, and their mission really focuses in three areas. It focuses in learning, leading, and serving. So there's an education component, a leadership component, and a volunteer service component to the work of KEHA.
Now, Kim, can you tell us a little bit more about the volunteer service that these homemakers are doing?
Well, Kristi, that is one of the passions of KEHA members across the state and the local clubs and county organizations like those there in Warren County and in the greater Mammoth Cave area and all across Kentucky. Those members and clubs in the counties and the county organizations, they're really the strength and the base of KEHA. And their volunteer service activities really reflect community needs and special opportunities that may emerge across the community. In the pandemic, there have been some unique opportunities for Extension Homemakers clubs to give back through using their skills and their sewing abilities to make masks or to make surgical caps, or in one case to even make surgical gowns for a local medical facility. A few weeks ago, KEHA as a state organization joined with the Coverings for Kids initiative to provide face coverings for school children and school personnel as Kentucky schools were resuming for the fall, some in person, some virtual, and some a combination. But there was an effort to make sure that there were face coverings available for those that would be in person. And that's been carried out all across the state, even locally there in the Mammoth Cave area.
Yes, Kim, just last year, the Mammoth Cave area homemakers donated various items, money to the Center for Courageous Kids. And it's truly just a glimpse of what these individuals are doing for the communities, as well as the Family and Consumer Sciences agent in those counties.
And the Center for Courageous Kids has been a unique organization for KEHA to work with, and it really started there locally with the Allen County Extension Service, Allen County Extension Homemakers, and then the Greater Mammoth Cave Area Extension Homemakers. But they helped connect the greater KEHA organization statewide with that unique facility here in our state. And there have been various times over the center's 11-year history that there have been statewide service projects, from making quilts for the center to making homemade pillowcases to coming and just giving a volunteer time to help fill needs at the Center for Courageous Kids.
Now, Kim, we're almost out of time, but tell us, what is KEHA Week?
So for decades, the Kentucky Extension Homemakers Association has celebrated the second full week of October as KEHA Week. And it's just a week for the local homemakers clubs and county organizations to share about their good work and share about the benefits of being a member and the things that you can experience if you get involved locally.
Well, Kim, thank you so much for being here today. Now, if someone is interested in joining their local homemakers association, how can they do that?
The best way is to contact your local county cooperative extension service office and inquire about opportunities to be involved with extension homemakers in that local county.
All right, Kim. Well, the Kentucky Extension Homemakers Association would love to have new members. We're always looking. So if you are watching and would like more information, be sure to contact your local extension office. Thanks for watching, and we hope you have a great day.